Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Volvo XC60, a luxury midsize SUV that perfectly blends Scandinavian elegance, advanced technology, refined performance, and world-class safety. With a fresh design update, more electrified powertrain options, and a cabin filled with sustainable luxury, the XC60 continues to stand out in a competitive segment. Whether you're looking for everyday comfort, a high-tech interior, or eco-conscious engineering, the 2026 XC60 delivers it all with Volvo's signature understated confidence. Let's talk design, because the 2026 Volvo XC60 continues to evolve the brand's signature Scandinavian styling with an even more refined and confident presence. At the front, the most noticeable update is the redesigned grille, now slightly wider and more vertically aligned, giving the XC60 a bolder, more planted stance. The iconic Thor's Hammer LED headlights have been sharpened and slimmed down, featuring a more futuristic lighting signature that seamlessly integrates into the reshaped front fascia. The lower bumper has also been reworked with a cleaner, more aerodynamic layout, including vertical air curtains and satin silver or gloss black accents, depending on the trim level. Along the sides, the profile remains sleek and elegant, but subtle new character lines add depth and fluidity to the bodywork, enhancing the SUV's aerodynamic efficiency. The 2026 model also introduces a new range of wheel designs, from minimalist 18-inch options to aggressive 21-inch diamond-cut alloys that give the XC60 a sportier edge. Chrome window surrounds or dark-tinted trim packages add further visual distinction based on your chosen trim level. Around back, the signature vertical taillights, which are a Volvo staple, have been re-sculpted with a new lighting pattern that's more dynamic and instantly recognizable, especially at night. The rear bumper and exhaust surrounds have also been simplified for a more premium look, while new paint options like Fjord Blue and Crystal White Pearl highlight the vehicle's clean, sophisticated contours. Overall, the XC60's exterior design strikes a near-perfect balance between luxury and minimalism, bold enough to stand out, yet tasteful enough to never feel overdone. Interior design. Step inside the 2026 Volvo XC60 and you're immediately greeted by a cabin that exemplifies Scandinavian luxury, calm, minimalist, and incredibly well-crafted. The interior design focuses on simplicity and functionality, with clean lines, high-quality materials, and an open, airy feel enhanced by large windows and an available panoramic sunroof. Depending on the trim, you'll find a choice of Nappa leather, wool blend fabric, or Microtech upholstery, all thoughtfully sourced with sustainability in mind. The dashboard is dominated by a vertically oriented 14.5-inch touchscreen powered by Google built-in, giving you seamless access to Google Maps, Assistant, and your favorite apps directly integrated into the vehicle. Right in front of the driver is a crisp 123-inch digital gauge cluster, and higher trims offer a head-up display that projects vital information onto the windshield. The layout is intuitive. The controls are elegantly minimal, and ambient lighting softly highlights key areas throughout the cabin. Details like real wood inlays, aluminum accents, and soft-touch panels add a premium feel without being flashy. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either, with generous storage spaces, a spacious center console, and plenty of legroom in both rows. Rear passengers benefit from supportive seating and optional heated rear seats, making every journey a comfortable experience for all. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or simply enjoying a quiet evening drive, the XC60's interior is a serene, tech-forward sanctuary that makes time behind the wheel feel special. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Volvo XC60 offers a versatile range of powertrains designed to balance performance, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. The lineup begins with the B5 mild hybrid system, which pairs a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a 48-volt integrated starter generator, delivering around 247 horsepower and smooth, responsive acceleration, while also improving fuel efficiency in stop-and-go traffic. For those seeking a bit more punch, the B6 variant adds a supercharger to the mix, boosting output to approximately 395 horsepower, giving the XC60 more confident passing power and a sportier edge on the highway. But the true standout is the XC60 Recharge plug-in hybrid, which combines a powerful gas engine with an upgraded electric motor and a larger battery pack. It now delivers a combined 455 horsepower and up to 50 miles of all-electric range, ideal for daily commutes with zero emissions. Acceleration is brisk with the Recharge model, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, yet it maintains the composure and smoothness Volvo is known for. All versions come with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive, ensuring excellent traction and control in varying road conditions. To top it all off, Volvo offers an available adaptive air suspension system on higher trims, which actively adjusts to road conditions for an ultra-smooth, stable ride whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating rough city streets. No matter which setup you choose, the XC60 delivers a driving experience that's refined, capable, and effortlessly enjoyable. Safety has always been at the heart of Volvo's identity, and the 2026 XC60 proudly continues that tradition with one of the most advanced safety suites in its class. Every model comes equipped with Volvo's IntelliSafe, a comprehensive package of active and passive safety technologies designed to protect you and those around you. Key features include Pilot Assist, a semi-autonomous driving system that helps with steering, acceleration, and braking on well-marked highways, and Adaptive Cruise Control for maintaining safe distances in traffic. Lane keeping aid, runoff road mitigation, and oncoming lane mitigation work behind the scenes to help keep the vehicle centered and away from danger. The XC60 also includes Blind Spot Information System, BLIS, with Steer Assist, which not only alerts you to vehicles in your blind spots, but can gently guide you back into your lane if needed. For tight parking situations or busy urban driving, a 360-degree surround view camera and cross-traffic alert with auto brake add an extra layer of awareness and protection. In the event of an imminent collision, the vehicle's automatic emergency braking system can detect vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and even large animals, intervening quickly to help avoid or reduce impact. The XC60 also features rear collision warning, which prepares seatbelts and brake lights if a rear-end crash seems likely. Altogether, these intelligent systems work harmoniously to create a driving experience that feels not only luxurious, but remarkably safe, giving you peace of mind every time you hit the road. In conclusion, the 2026 Volvo XC60 stands out as one of the most well-rounded luxury SUVs on the market, offering a masterful combination of elegant design, advanced safety, modern technology, and versatile performance. It's a vehicle that stays true to Volvo's roots in understated luxury and safety leadership, while embracing the future through electrification and sustainable craftsmanship. The refreshed exterior design is bold yet refined, offering a presence that feels upscale without being over the top. Inside, the cabin is a peaceful retreat, thoughtfully designed with high-quality, sustainable materials, intuitive controls, and tech that enhances the driving experience without overwhelming it. Whether you choose the efficient mild hybrid B5, the more powerful B6, or the impressive Recharge plug-in hybrid with up to 50 miles of electric range, the XC60 delivers smooth, confident performance tailored for both city commutes and long-distance road trips. On top of that, Volvo's commitment to safety remains unmatched, with a suite of intelligent systems that actively protect you, your passengers, and others on the road. It's not just about features, it's about a philosophy of care, comfort, and responsibility. If you're looking for a midsize SUV that doesn't follow the typical luxury script, but instead offers a unique blend of style, innovation, and peace of mind, the 2026 Volvo XC60 is a compelling choice that deserves serious consideration. It's more than just a car, it's a statement about what modern driving should feel like. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review of the 2026 Volvo XC60, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest automotive breakdowns. Got questions or thoughts about the XC60? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.